Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Dalton Gardens, local and long-distance movers near me. Our team of movers makes your long-distance move easier with the following options: packing and unpacking services, moving supplies, and on-time move and upfront pricing. We make moving so much easier when you're relocating 100 miles away or more, and it's already hard enough to get used to a new city or town. With our help, at least the moving process will go smoothly and save you from having to worry so much. Choosing to hire an Idaho moving company for your local move gives you just what you need. You'll have a team to handle all the heavy lifting. When you hire movers, you'll save time and energy. Even a short distance move takes time and requires packing and unloading. 3 men in a truck streamlines the entire move for you. We know how to make your local move super simple. Our team will make sure you get to your new location faster and easier. When a move that could take you a week to complete, we can get it done in less than 1 day. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Dalton Gardens moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.